Alright, today we're going to talk about supplements that will actually help you build muscles. Because let's face it, you can sell your soul to the devil and buy the most expensive of the supplements, but at the end of the day, you're just pissing and shitting your money away. Let's start with the most important of all supplements, protein shake. To build muscle, you not only need surplus amount of calories, but you also got to consume sufficient amounts of protein. Your muscles are made of protein, so in order for them to grow, it only makes sense to consume more protein. Plus, intense training breaks down muscle tissue, which increases your requirement for dietary protein so as to support repair, recovery, and growth. You could easily fulfill all your protein needs from whole foods such as chicken, fish, or pork. But if your protein requirements are really high, it becomes cost prohibitive to continue buying meat. This is where whey protein can be a lifesaver. Derived from cow milk, whey protein is rich in branched-chain amino acids, highly bioavailable, affordable, convenient, and downright delicious. And due to its fast digestion rate and amino acid content, consuming a whey protein shake following resistance exercise further enhances the effect on muscle growth in comparison to resistance training without whey protein powder. It's the perfect anytime option for a quick high protein meal or snack and helps you hit your protein macros for the day without all the prep, cooking, and cleaning of other protein sources. I don't even consider whey protein as a supplement. To me, it's a goddamn meal in a bag. It's just as good or better if you have a high quality source of whey protein available. So now you know why you're still a fat mess, because you bought a protein that only gives you 22 grams of protein for 130 kilocalories. It's not very efficient, is it? Here's a little tip from my side. Next time you're buying a whey protein, just turn it over and look at the nutritional label. Now we all know that every gram of protein contains 4 kilocalories, so companies try to shoot for that mark. That's 100 kilocalories for 25 grams. And your protein should be pretty close to it. Now let's talk a little bit about creatine. No supplement is more studied, well-researched, or proven effective than creatine monohydrate. It's been used for decades by athletes looking to build muscle and increase strength. And if there is one supplement that every athlete should use, it's creatine. Creatine serves a number of roles in the body, including enhanced energy production, improved cellular hydration, exerts anti-catabolic effects, influences several factors impacting muscle growth, including nitrogen balance and the expression of certain genes. Basically, creatine helps you build muscle faster, get stronger, and perform better all around. So it easily qualifies as a must-have supplement to build muscle. And finally, the pre-workout supplements. It's nice to have a pre-workout ritual or routine to let your body know that it's time to get in action mode. A staple of top pre-workouts, beta-alanine, is known to deliver tingles when consumed in high quantities. But it's not just about delivering the tingles. Beta-alanine is also a valuable performance enhancer that helps build muscles. When ingested, beta-alanine binds with the essential amino acid L-histidine to form carnosine, a powerful intracellular buffer that shuttles away hydrogen ions that accumulate during exercise. During exercise, the more muscle contracts, the more acidic it becomes, which subsequently reduces its ability to continue contracting. You experience this as the burning sensation that hits your muscles the deeper you get into a set. And it ultimately causes you to tire, fatigue, and stop the set. By increasing the amount of carnosine in your muscles, you are able to remove more of these hydrogen ions, offsetting the eventual fatigue and enabling you to grind out more reps before stopping. Ultimately, beta-alanine allows you to perform more work every time you train, which is a key concept of building muscles. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you like it. Please share, subscribe to our YouTube channel.